Let's share our first post on Hey. Tap on this bar and start typing your text. You can attach media to your post. Emojis and GIFs can also be added to the post using these icons. You know the drill! Here's what's new on Hey. As a decentralized social media platform, Hey allows you to make your posts collectible. This means that you can set certain restrictions so that your content is only viewed by a specific audience. There are several settings available once you make your post collectible. You're able to charge those who choose to collect your post, limit collectability editions and duration, or make it exclusively available to your followers. This feature enables you to perform swaps and receive tips as a content owner. Users can determine who sees and comments on their posts using this section. You can also share customized polls or start live streaming on Hey. Easy, right? Find out more about users' profile settings on Hey in the next video.